Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public grill. First, always inspect the grill for cleanliness and damage before you start. It's a good idea to bring your own wire brush and paper towels for a quick clean. Don't forget your essential grilling tools like tongs and a spatula. Also, make sure you have enough fuel, whether it's charcoal or a propane tank, to last your entire cooking session. Once you've prepped, it's time to light the grill. If it's charcoal, stack your briquettes in a pyramid and use a chimney starter or a small amount of lighter fluid. For gas grills, open the lid, turn on the gas, and ignite the burners, starting on a low setting. Let the grill preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes. This ensures a consistent cooking surface, reaching temperatures around 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for most foods. Now for the grilling itself. Start by searing your food over the hottest part of the grill, then shift it to a cooler zone for even cooking. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm your food reaches safe internal temperatures, like 165 degrees Fahrenheit for poultry. Keep a spray bottle of water nearby to manage any sudden flare-ups. Most importantly, never leave a hot grill unattended, especially when children or pets are around, to prevent accidents. After enjoying your meal, proper cleanup is crucial. While the grill is still warm, use your wire brush to thoroughly scrape the grates clean. If you use charcoal, make sure the ashes are completely cool before disposing of them in a designated metal bin, never a regular trash can. For gas grills, turn off all burners and the main gas valve. Finally, pack out all your trash and any leftover food, leaving the public grilling area spotless for the next user. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.